Hello, welcome back everyone. How are you doing? In this section, we're going to be starting our very first program using netbean that we installed earlier on, and we'll be creating our very first Hello World program. So let's get a start. Let's jump in. Believe you just move along with me too. Let's open up our netbean. I believe you installed yours successfully. If you did not, please, I'll recommend you go back to our previous videos. While we wait for our netbean to open, I'm using netbean IDE 8.2. So quickly, while I wait for the netbean to load completely, I would like to give a quick overview of the entire netbean interface. So right here, we have the file menu. We have file, edit, view, navigate, source, refactor, run, debug, profile, themes, tools, windows, and help. Now, and then we have the tools bar. We have your project bar, we have your file bar, we have your service bar. Under the service, that is where you have your database, you have your web service, you have your server, you have your Android development, and every other cloud, every other service provider issue that you would make use of. You have your start page. On your start page, you can learn or discover new things from netbean. This is where netbean posts their newsletters. Over here, you have your out and every other project that you have been handled. But we'll be moving down to project. Now, under the project, you have some couple of projects in which I've been working on. A couple of projects I've been working on, and we'll be starting a new project for this series. So we'll now go down to our file, new project, and then we'll move down to Java application. Click next. I'll use we're making use of first Java app. That is the project name. And then while I take you down this is our project location. You see on C drive web done Nigeria document netbean project. You can always change your location, but I prefer you leave it there. And then project folder, you see the project folder, web done Nigeria document netbean project first Java app. And then it also tells you to use a different folder storing library. That is, if you have a different library, that when we are dealing with more complex, that's when we'll be making use of all of that. And then it's now saying create a main class. You can create and you can also leave it. So we prefer to create a main class, and then we'll just do finish. While I take you through, let me expand this up so we can all see it properly. So you just double click on it and it will expand. You see, the first thing we have on this page after creating our project is package first.java.app. Public class first Java app, which is the application name, and then we now have public static void main string args. This is where all our command prompt will be starting from. So I'll keep more space down here, and then I will love if you type it by yourself word to word so you could master the entire typing process. Our first hello world application. Let's print out hello world. The syntax is system dot out dot print. Print line, and then in between these two curly braces, you now enter a double quote and now said hello world. So we can save this. Before we run, let's quickly look at other areas. Now, this is our project. This is our source package. This is where you get your hello world file. This is the library. You see the JDK 1.8 default, and inside the JDK you have so much. We won't be talking about this for now. I'm showing you how to search for your files. For the meantime, let me get all of this off. I already have them on my backup. Let me take off all this project. So while that is running, let's run this application and see what we have. So to run an application, you just click on run. Now look at the console. Down here, this output, you see first Java app run. See run hello world. Build successful, total 0 seconds. So thank you for watching. See you next time.